What's going on, you glorious bearded brothers? Welcome back to The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, I want to show you guys 3 ways how to fix those patches, holes, and gaps we all can get. Yep, and just a disclaimer, just want to show you guys, I got popped in the eye in jiu-jitsu, so don't think I'm using any eyeliner on the eye. Now to start off, this is a common thing for a lot of beardsmen to have. Young, old, in between. It might depend on your lifestyle or your choice of things that you're doing. Your beard might not be producing the best look that it can be, and having these little holes and little gaps in our beard kind of show that we're not really having that full potential that we can have. So I thought I would bring you guys 3 steps, 3 easy things that we all can do, find around the house that can alleviate these problems. So let's start off with the first one. The first step that all bearded gentlemen need to do is have beard direction. And if we don't have beard direction, a lot of our game can struggle. If we have these gaps or holes in our cheeks or in our chin, if we have bad beard direction, this is causing the problem. And that's why I always want to bring up having a tool or a brush to help us out with that. So if we have a hole or a gap here, we can actually bring our beard forward to alleviate that hole or that gap. Same with the other side. If we have a little bit of space here by our jawline, we can actually pull that down, bring it back, and actually cover that up. So if we have good beard direction, we can actually cover that hole in that gap with the hairs. It all depends if your beard's more thick, if it's more thin, if it's wispy, long. We want to have good direction. We want to have good shape in our beard. That way we have a nice conformed look. Next step that we can do, and this is actually a hack, we can actually use a hair dye kit or some liner, and that will actually go over the hair, thickening it up, layering the hair, and actually covering up that hole or the gap. Now, a lot of you guys might not like this hack or tip, but it actually really works, and it's a very inexpensive way to fill in that gap. Whenever you get a dyeing kit, you'll usually get a very small little brush or a comb, if you will, and we'll just lightly apply some of that dye. And just those 4 or 5 hairs that we're actually hitting with that dye will actually layer upon layer will fill in that gap. And I've done this before too with my cheek line, and actually a lot of barbers choose to do this. A lot of guys struggle in that cheek line, and adding just a little dye of a line can actually show a perforation of where our beard starts and finishes. And the liner's a great way to actually fill in that line that we have on our cheek line. If you have a darker complexion or lighter complexion, we're just gonna match the liner with the skin and the hair. That way we have a nice blended in look with the beard, that everything's nice, full, and thick. And that's what we want everybody to see, that we have a nice cohesive look. And the third step to alleviate those patches, holes, and gaps, and you guys are gonna know this, beard product. Beard product is gonna make those problems go away. Especially if you use a product like Artius Man. Using a thick beard oil, a thickening agent like the Balm, this is gonna fill in those patches, those holes, and their gaps. But for me, I'd rather put more product in my beard, pull out the hair dryer, and actually evaporate some of the product out. That way I know that I have as much as I need and that my beard is full and thick. That way everybody, when they look at it, it's nice, no holes or gaps in the beard. And these 3 steps are simple steps that all beardsmen can use. These are very cheap products. Anything that you guys see down, I'll put down in the link below. But these are $5, $10 fixes that we all can use. If it's a comb, a little bit of beard oil, and on top of that, if we just gotta use a little bit of product to fill in that patch or that hole in that gap in our beard, it's just gonna be an easy fix, and these are really good steps to use. I really hope those help. If you guys have any questions, go down and leave me a comment. I'll try to help you guys out the best that I can. On that note, we're gonna be doing a candle review on Wednesday's video. Artius has got a new line of candles. We've got tobacco, vanilla. We'll do a full review on that. On top of that, stay tuned till Thursday. We're gonna start doing live streams again back here on YouTube. I wanna start doing Throwback Thursday reviews. That way you guys can send me a picture. We can go look at celebrities, sports guys, anyone that we can do and review a picture of them and their beard and what they can do to be better as a beardsman. So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you like always. Have a great week, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!